everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add symbol in MetaTrader4 using mobile device. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While trading on MetaTrader4, adding your preferred symbols to the codes section on your mobile trading app makes it easier to trade. If you want to add or remove a symbol, then the process is quite simple. Simply open up your MetaTrader4 application on your mobile device. In today's video, I'm going to use my Android device. Once you open up MetaTrader4, make sure that you are logged in as well. Now, from the main home page, tap the plus icon at the top right hand corner. Right where you can see find symbol, select a group of symbol, or you can simply type in the symbol in the text box. Once you find your symbol you would like to add, give it a tap and it will be added automatically on your main home page. Now, when you've added the symbols, you'll be able to see them right on the codes tab on your main home page. That is how you can easily add a symbol or an instrument in MetaTrader4. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.